Hi guys, and welcome to a Christmassy episode of the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news. I am your host Martin, and this is episode 135. Can you believe it? 135 days being here, guys. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for tuning in tonight. Again, I really do appreciate it. Sorry for coming in late and not giving any proper advice in advance. Like I said, I'm still cooking Christmas dinner tonight. So there's still stuff in the oven, but I just found a very small amount of time, a small window where I could actually come in here and do technicals. And that's just what we're going to focus on for tonight. So again, thank you for watching. It is a Christmas Eve edition of the State of Crypto. Tomorrow we'll have a Christmas Day edition of the State of Crypto. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you are thinking. Now, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to chat with us once the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. The link is in the description. Now, that out of the way, let's jump on to the market and see what's happening, guys. What is happening with the crypto market? There we go. Cool, man. If you follow us live, you know we usually do a news segment. We're not going to do it tonight. Again, we're just going to jump straight into the market. Haven't looked at anything since we left off yesterday, so whatever happened today, it's going to be a much surprise to you if you're watching this, as it will be to me. Now, let's go and look at the market. What is happening yesterday? Well, apparently we're losing market cap, right? Money is flowing out of the crypto sphere. Sorry if I stuttered there for a second. Trying to get my footing here. Okay, it's cool. So yesterday, with money flowing out of the crypto sphere, from an opening of $188.10 billion, closing at $186.79 billion, a $1.27 billion move to the downside. We're losing 0.068%. Right now, moving down still 0.47%. Sitting at $185.90 billion, $886.39 million move to the downside. Again, not too bad. Again, more or less floating in this area, but really cool. Hi, Soka. How's it going, man? Merry Christmas. Hope you're having a great day, man. Thanks for being here. Now, let's get on with Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance, what is happening? Yesterday, it lost dominance. 0.21% from an opening of 70.46%. Closing at 70.31%. Now it's moving up right now. It's gaining a little bit of dominance, 0.09%, from an opening of 70.30, closing at 70.37. And that is fine. Again, not too worried about this. We're still in a major downtrend on dominance for Bitcoin, and that is fine for me right now. So let's move on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin sitting at $7,221.50, man. Isn't that great? What's happening, man? Still moving down. We kind of talked about this, right? Being a potential thing that could happen. I can see we have a small triangle traced here. Maybe something within the short term. We're creating hidden bearish divergence. Sorry, no, not hidden bearish. Strong bearish divergence. That's what we had. Was it hidden? Yeah, it was hidden bearish divergence. Sorry. On the daily, and we said price continuation. We're talking about potential price action to the downside. So I'm not surprised we're still going slightly low. That positive momentum island dying out. Again, sitting more or less neutral on the RSI. Sitting at 47.22. Really, nothing else has happened since yesterday, guys. Again, sorry I'm not going to be able to take any coin requests today. I still have stuff I got to get done. I have guests coming in about 30 minutes or so. I think we said 8:30. So about an hour. In about an hour, I have guests coming in. Hey, Benny, how's it going, man? Happy holidays, brother. Hope you're having a great time. Again, I just wanted to jump in real quick to let you know what the market is doing. Again, we're breaking down. That's fine. Impulse out. Remember how we were talking about this yesterday? Where were we here? 23rd? Yeah. It was looking like a kind of like we're going to drop again, right? And look, lo and behold, we got it. Again, holding between this range of 7,229 and 7,200, right? We're still on that lower part, 7,227. But again, that's more or less where we're at right now. Negative momentum still building. That is fine. You could say that we have hidden bearish. I hadn't called it yet, though. Right? You're going higher. Hidden bullish. Right? We're going like that. And here we're also going much lower than our RSI, right? So again, going higher, right? A higher low, lower on more negative momentum, and lower on the RSI, creating that hidden bearish. Neutral on the RSI right now at 47.04. And again, really waiting for this to we might stall for a little bit and try to break to the upside on continuation. but I'm not sure how strong this is going to be. Again, if we do move to the upside, we have that 20 MA to face. Then we have that 7,429, and then that 7,531. If we go to the downside, what do we have? Well, we have that 7,200, right? We used it as support in the last couple candles. So we also have this top part of the major downsloping channel. Below that, we have 7,075, and then below that, we have this blue area of support resistance. So let's go into the 1 hour. What is happening on the 1 hour, man? Well, don't look like too much is happening, right? Let's see this. Where are we at here? 13.53, 11. Okay, cool. So we do have some bullish divergence developing. It's very slight though, right? This is 13 right here. This is 11 over here. It's even lower. So again, we do have some bullish divergence. Price action to the upside. We're moving up, but failing again. Not looking too strong on that bullish divergence. Here we also have bullish divergence on the RSI. Trying to pump, but really not happening. Someone tipped 20. Holy smokes. Thank you. Wow. The little shark didn't pop up, I guess. I didn't see it, but damn. Thanks for that tip. I appreciate it. And, yeah. Awesome. Thanks. Man, that is great. That really feels good, man. Now we can say it's Christmas, right? Again, we do have this divergence trying to move up. Yeah, I'm not sure who they are, man, but thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. It means the world to me. Man, I got sidetracked. Man, that is so cool. Thank you so much for that. We do have this divergence going on again. Try to rally, but failing. Really not looking too strong. Here's no strong divergence. We just had on the 1 hour. Nothing else going on right now. Let's jump on to, let me just make sure I'm not missing anything. No, I'm not. I'll just make sure this stays here on the 1 hour. Man, that is so cool. Thank you so much for that. Yeah, cool. Thanks. I'm still smiling, man. I can't wipe the smile off my face. That tip just made my night. Thank you so much. Let's go on to Ethereum. I think we did have something else for Bitcoin, right? Kind of had this triangle. We kind of broke it to the downside. Then we run it to the other side. So again, we violated this triangle completely. I just want to see more or less where we're at. It's the 25th. Someone, if I remember correctly, it was anonymous user. He wanted to see if we could get to 6,200 by the 25th. So in the market times, it is the 25th, even though we're really not on the 25th right now. And I'm thinking the market's going to drop to 6,200, right? We did put a line there to signify that price. We came close, right? But then we bounced on that divergence, and that was fine. That was the end of that. So, okay, cool. I just want to touch base on that. Let's go to Ethereum dominance. What is happening with Ethereum dominance on the daily? Well, yesterday we gained dominance 0.61%. Right now we're losing dominance 1.05%. And that is fine. Sitting at 7.37% market cap. Again, really not caring too much for the dominance right now. We just cover it because it is important to see how much dominance we have, how much resistance we are. Martin, I continue to build and make videos. People will find my channel supported because I rock. Thanks for the kind words, Benny. I do appreciate them. Thank you so much, man. It also means too much. It also means a lot to me. The encouragement. Thank you so much. Let's see what else is going on, man. So again, we're going lower. I can tell you right now. I mean, I don't like doing analysis here. It is really independent to the price, right? You can have positive here and still lose price. But you're creating divergence of sorts. It means you could potentially try to rally and try to see higher prices. You don't have it on the RSI. That's it. Great videos. Thank you so much. Yes, I will tell my family that you say Merry Christmas. Thanks so much. And thanks for liking my videos. Thank you for liking my content and supporting it. Yeah. Thanks so much, man. Girl, man, I'm not sure if you're a dude or a dudette, but thank you so much. Let's see what else is happening here. So we do have this divergence again. We could potentially try and rally on the market dominance, sitting at 7.37% of market cap. Ethereum sitting at $125.80. That is cool, man. Again, not much happening. Dropping a little bit higher than the previous low. Also less negative momentum, right? I think we're making positive momentum. It's just almost invisible. Below that 20 MA, I'm actually going to hide the Bollinger Bands for a second. See, we're really not doing much here. So that's fine. And on the RSI, we don't have anything going on either. Sitting sold on the RSI at 34.74. Many of your text got cut out. Yeah, but you can ask anything you guys want, for sure. And if you have a request, I'll take it tonight. For that amazing tip, I will take a request. I was not going to take any requests. I do have Christmas dinner to still get to. Like cooking here at home. I'm going to have guests, and that's going to be pretty cool. But I do have to put the potatoes in the oven. Turkey's already out. That's the main part. But potatoes have to go in the oven, and the meat roll has to go in the oven as well. Man, so what is happening here shorter term? We're going lower. We're making negative momentum, so that's fine. That negative momentum, it's higher, right? Less negative momentum than the previous one. So again, no divergence going on here. Do we have divergence in the shorter term, though? Let's see here. 0, negative 28. 0, negative 41. So more negative momentum, and we're going lower, so that's fine. We're going with the market. Same thing happened with the RSI. We're also going lower. I have to show you the food. Yeah, I'll snap a pic, man. 1 second, though. I have a picture of the turkey here. I'll snap pictures and I'll show them on tomorrow's stream for sure. But I do have one from the turkey. Let's see if I can get you guys to see it here. I haven't sent them to my desktop, but yeah, it's the bird, man. There we go. Hope that looks. I'm not sure if you can see it. I'll go in the full screen real quick. Yeah, it's a turkey, man. Now, back to the stream. I will show pictures of the food for sure yesterday, right? And let me get my spot back on, because this is the stream where I... this is a cell phone where I spot myself when I'm doing the live stream. Yeah, turkey looks killer, man. It's going to be really, really tasty. Anyways, we're going lower. We don't have anything going on the 4 hours either that we can call out. We did have this sort of trap, right? Remember how I told you this was starting to look like a sort of bear trap, and we're probably going to go down again? Yeah, we kind of hit that. Let's see what else, man. Again, sitting sold at 39.13, and that's it for this. Let's go into the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, high, lower high, less negative momentum, that is fine. On the positive, higher high, right? With negative going to a positive, right? Man, look at this, man. We did have some sort of divergence going on here. Even though this is not our major high, right? This would be it. Going from a high to a lower high. We could certainly take this as the more immediate high and go here and say, look, man, we're creating hidden bearish price continuation, and we're breaking down on that, man. Yeah, ready to be robbed. Yeah, it's going to be killer turkey, man. It's going to be really, really tasty. Spotify ads coming in. Let me get rid of those real quick and play something else. I wish I could play Christmassy songs tonight, but I can't. I do have this thing on Spotify where I just have ads, and if I play something with music on the bottom, I'm going to get like probably copyright strike. So I cannot play anything that is not royalty free, and this is royalty free. So we're going down right now again on hidden bearish. We don't have it on the RSI just here. We really don't have anything else, right? We're trying to go higher, but again, negative momentum starting to develop. Kind of gap down here. I don't like this chart. Here we don't have that gap, and it makes me feel a little bit more comfortable. It means that this is not going to tank really quick. Sitting sold at 30.88, and that's it for this, man. Let's jump onto the onto XRP. What is happening with the XRP? Well, XRP dominance, kind of gaining dominance yesterday, 1.07%. Right now gaining a little bit more dominance, 0.22%. Sitting at 4.42% of market cap. Now, what else is happening here? Let's see on the price. Sitting at 19 cents, 19.023. So we haven't dropped too much from yesterday. When we were doing it yesterday, I think we were around like 19. Oh, sorry, it just dropped to 18.9. 18.951 cents. I think we were like around 19,100, so 19.1. We dropped a little bit more than yesterday. But again, see that failing at the mid part of the channel. Remember how we faced it as resistance before? Faced it again and we failed. So again, negative momentum still developing, even though this is positive momentum here. Sorry, it's negative 0.00022. I thought it was positive there for a second. But now, setting sold on the other side, 35.32, and that's it for this, man. Let's go into the 4 hours. Really, nothing else developing that we can call out here. If anything is going to play out, it's going to be on the shorter scales. Now, we're really not making a higher high than the previous high, and that's fine. We do have divergence here, right? Bearish. Price action to the downside. It wasn't a surprise to us. We knew it from yesterday, and that was fine, and we were cool with it. We're still not making that much right now, right? Starting to make negative momentum, and that's fine. Even lower than the previous low. What is this? 0.00039 negative and 0.00039 negative. So again, even here, you know, not much going on. I'm not going to call divergence here. We're sitting neutral on the RSI at 41.24. And that's it for this. Let's go into the 1 hour, man. On the 1 hour, let's see if we have something going on here that could really help us see what's happening. Yes, we do have divergence, right? Same divergence that we developed on the other one, on Ethereum. Hidden bearish. Price continuation. We dropped to the downside, going lower than the previous low. Did we make divergence of the bullish kind? Yes, I do believe we did. Yeah, we did, and you're gonna see it in a second, right? See this and see this, right? We created that divergence, right? That is bullish divergence. It's gonna stay in the 1 hour. That's fine. That's what I want. Right now we're starting to pump lower than our previous high. We're also lower on the MACD than our previous. So again, really not much going on, right? We did have that divergence, played up to the upside, not too strong, getting below our previous high, and starting to break down on probably something on the shorter scales. I'm not going to go on the shorter scales. Now, we do have divergence, though, from here to here, and from here to here. That is hidden bearish, and that could be potentially breaking us down. Wow, someone came in and gave a tip. The Grinch just tipped 10. Awesome. The Grinch, thank you so much. Thanks for your analysis, help you with your trading. Merry Christmas and keep it up. Thank you, man. I'm not sure who you are, the Grinch. Thank you so much, man. You guys are really making my night, man. It's amazing. That's the second tip we got, man. That's really, really cool, man. You guys are gonna make my eyes like water, man. That's so cool, man. Yeah, my eyes felt a little bit watery there for a second. We're developing bearish divergence, and starting to move to the downside right now on this hidden bearish, right? And we're seeing sold on the RSI at 38.86. Notorious XRP, thank you so much for being here, man. I appreciate it. Merry Christmas, brother. I hope you're having a great time as well. The Grinch, I also hope you're having a great time tonight. Also, Tool Sycamore, yeah, high five, bro. Or wave. I'm not sure which one's that. I think that's a high five one. Yeah, so sorry, man. I'm trying to get back into my train of thought here for a second. I that tip really, like, those tips have messed me up a little bit. I can't lie, man. It feels really good, man. Thank you so much, guys. I do appreciate them a lot. So let's see what else. So we're breaking down on that divergence, right? That's what's going on right now. We don't have anything else. We're still moving down. Sorry for that, for the price of XRP. But again, that's what we got going on right now. Let's go into Litecoin. Hey, Notorious, I'm waiting for your next video. I'm not sure if you dropped it or not. I was super busy tonight. You told me you were going to put some new content out. And tonight was really hectic. I've been cooking dinner all day. Really, I got up at like 7 in the morning and started like getting some stuff ready, and then put the turkey in by like 10. That came out. It was a huge bird, man. It came out really late. It came out like almost 3 p.m. But again, having a really blast being here, guys. I can't lie. Yesterday we gained a little bit of dominance in Litecoin, 0.10%. Right now losing dominance, 0.44, sitting at 1.37% of market cap. Really not too much into Litecoin right now. It has not been performing the best. It has been performing a little bit better than other coins for sure, but really not doing much. Sitting at $39.94. We had divergence. We called it out a couple days ago, breaking down. That is fine. We kind of knew this was going to happen. Really not much happening since on the daily. Positive momentum still building, even though it's very small, and sitting sold on the RSI at 38. That's it. Let's go into the 4 hours. Do we have something? No. Higher low than the previous one, right? Momentum also less. Higher on that RSI, sitting sold at 42.22. I'm not expecting to see a violent move right now here, unless Bitcoin tanks, because we don't have any kind of divergence. So we could just kind of float here for tonight. Yeah, might be what could happen, right? 42.22 on the RSI. Let's go into the 1 hour. You dropped it yesterday. Oh man, sorry man, I was not able to see it. I didn't get the notification, man. I will go check it out once the stream is done for sure, man. So we're going lower, that's fine. Let's see, do we have that divergence that we have in the other one? Yes, we do. Right, you can see that from this high to here. We're going from a 0 to a positive, right? Hidden bearish divergence. We don't have it on the RSI, and that's fine. Breaking down again on, let's see, do we have bearish divergence from here to here? Yes, we do. See, we're going higher here on the RSI, and we're going lower here, creating bearish divergence again. Did we create bullish? Yes, we also created bullish divergence. So again, same stuff that happened with Ripple, it kind of happened with this. And I'm wondering if I missed this on Ethereum. And I'm going to go back and check it out. Now, we're starting to make new negative momentum again. I'm not sure if we're going to make another bullish divergence here. We're very close, and we still have to make a little bit more negative momentum for this to drop. And then we might be able to pump. We also probably going to have divergence, though, on the RSI, which is going to be more likely right now. Sitting at 36.95 sold on the RSI on Litecoin. Before I jump onto Binance, I will check Ethereum. That divergence, we have it here. No, we don't have it here. Do we have that bullish? No, we don't have the bullish either. We are creating divergence bullish right now on Ethereum though. From here to here and from here to here. Right? That's it for Ethereum on the 1 hour. We don't have, we do have it on the RSI as well. It's just very, very slight. See, the RSI here is at 30.02 and here is at 31.42. So slightly higher on the RSI with lower price. Again, creating that divergence. We might see some sort of stalling and maybe a pump. Let me just check Bitcoin again, make sure I didn't miss this. On Bitcoin, I'm sure I didn't miss it. The only thing I missed calling out here was this hidden bearish that I noticed on the other one, right? And we don't have it here on the RSI, that's fine. And now we have bullish divergence, but we're failing right now. Not the best indicator. We are holding that 7,200, but we don't want to break below this. Let's go back to Binance now. Binance dominance on the daily. What is happening with Binance? Pumping a little bit yesterday, right? Price action to the upside, gaining market cap. Not price action to the upside, sorry, gaining market cap. Dominance, 0.99%. Right now, losing dominance, 0.12%. Sitting at 1.11% of market cap. Binance, sitting at $13.28. Yesterday, we gained a little bit of price, 0.32%. Right now, losing 0.42%. That is fine. We had this divergence, again, breaking the downside, just as expected. And nothing else that is surprising us here on the daily. Let's go into the 4 hours. On the 4 hours, we have divergence, right? We called it out, breaking down to the downside. We try to rally up sloping. We said we kind of probably break it down. I think we were here yesterday. Right? We said we'd probably go up and then drop. And I think we even drew it as something like this, right? Sorry, not that one. We said we're probably going to do one of those and then probably drop. But we're kind of following that. I'm not sure if we did it with this coin or with another coin. But I'm pretty positive we call something like that. Sitting sold on neutral on the RSI, sorry, at 42.98. And that's it for this, man. Let's go into the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, brothers, let's see. Divergence, just like everyone else, right? From here to here, let's call it, right? That's fine. We just have that divergence right now. We don't have anything else going on here. Lower, less positive momentum. Lower on the RSI, that's fine. No bearish divergence either, right? Low, higher lows, higher negative momentums, and higher on the RSI. Sitting right now neutral at 42.19. Do you guys want to look at something else? I'll take a request if you guys want to, and then I'll call it a stream for tonight. I do got to get some other stuff in the oven. It's 7:48. I think we have been live for about 26 minutes or so. So, who are the tippers? Dulce Glamour or The Grinch? Or Benny or Notorious or Soka. If any of you guys have any requests, I'll take a request on the chat if it comes from the tippers, they'll get priority, and then if it's from anyone else, they'll definitely take it as well. So if you want to look at something else in the market, let me know. Otherwise, I'll call a stream in a couple minutes here. Really gotta get some other stuff getting done, but thank you guys so much for tonight. Those tips were amazing. You guys are making my night for sure. I'm trying to figure out what else is going on here. Trying to find another a good pumper that we can look at of the coins that we've looked at before. Oh man, VT pumping like 11%, man. What? Dude, I have conflicting charts on VT, man. This is weird. See, the daily, this one says it's pumped 11%. This one says it's dropped 1.41%. So I have conflicting charts on VeChain. VeChain to the dollar in Binance, it's down 1.41%. VeChain to the dollar in Bitfinex is up 11%. That is awkward. Let's see which chart has more merit. This probably, since no requests came in, this is gonna be it for the stream, I guess, right? So let's see. We do have some bullish divergence here. Right, this is 0.00025976 26 25 26. Let's see this. Oh no, I don't think we have divergence. I thought we had divergence there for a second, but no, slightly lower. Maybe I mispositioned my cursor when I was looking at it. So nothing here on the daily. Maybe we're gonna get a clue in the 4 hours. Okay, cool. So we did have divergence. From here to here, we're going lower, right? From here to here, we're going to a net less negative momentum, right? That is fine. Just make sure this stays here on the 4 hours. There we go. Here we don't have it on the RSI. Then we started to pump, and now we're pumping higher, but we're making a lower high. Let's see, 7756, 71. So yeah, slightly lower, even though we're going higher. So we're creating bearish divergence. There's a chance we might start to break down around this area. We're starting to see that happening, but not as strong as it should play out. 2020, the year of crypto, Soka. Maybe, man. Maybe it could be the year of crypto. Let's look at this shorter term, though. On the 1 hour, we do have divergence. Let's make sure this is going to stay here. And if I change this right now, it should stay on the 1 hour for everything else we do. So we do have this divergence going on. That is fine. Now, do we have something here on the bottom? Yes, we're creating hidden bullish. Right? We're opening here. Again, we're opening here. Look, we're creating hidden bullish to here. Right? Like that. There we go. But from here to here, right, we're going slightly lower. Even though this is green, it looks odd. But even though it's green, we're going in here and creating strong bullish divergence. 1 second, guys. Sorry, there we go. Can you hear me now? Yes, awesome. Sorry, that was a wife, and apparently I am against time now to go put the meat roll in the oven and the rest of the potatoes, the baked potatoes that we're gonna have with the turkey. So I'll have pictures of the dinner tomorrow for sure, and I'll tell you what I made. So if you want to join us again tomorrow for a regular This State of Crypto, is going to be a Christmas edition, but just Christmas Day edition. Tonight is Christmas Eve's edition. And thank you guys for being here. I do appreciate it, each and every one of you. Thank you for showing up. I hope you have a great Christmas. I hope you spend it with your families if you're celebrating Christmas. If not, happy holidays. And I hope that you're having it or spending it with the people that you cherish the most. If you can, if you can't, then I'm pretty sure they're in your thoughts. Sending lots of love to you guys tonight. Thanks for the tips. Those amazing tips made my night. Thank you, Notorious. Thank you, The Grinch. Thank you, Soka. Thank you to Dulce Glamour. Thank you, Benny. I'm not sure who else was here. Thanks, man. I will. Now I have to get going, guys. I do have to get the rest of the Christmas dinner in the oven. So I'll thank you again for watching. And yeah, I'll catch you tomorrow. Thanks for making my night. You guys are amazing. This is a set of crypto. I'm your host, Martin. Please talk about crypto to your friends, to your families. Let them know that we are here. We're a really cool channel, and we really enjoy being here. And you guys coming back and your support really keeps me coming back. Thank you, guys, and that's gonna be all for tonight. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas to Dulce Glamour. Thanks to everyone else, and enjoy your nights. Be safe, and I'll catch you tomorrow.